Hey everybody, Stewart Holt, Adventure Mortgage here in Birmingham, sitting with Mr. and Mrs. Green and their son at the closing that's roughly took about 4 months for me since I got involved, since middle July. Here we are, November 21st, and this loan is now closing. This loan was actually denied by several companies in town. It's a complicated loan, and if I got into it too deep, it'd take me about 30 minutes. There were some very unique things here that I did that other loan officers didn't know how to do. And I'm talking about the bigger mortgage bankers in Birmingham here. So I was able to get it closed. A lot of trial and tribulations, a lot of ups and downs, but they hung in there with me, and I was dedicated to getting it closed. So here we are at the closing table. So I'm just going to throw it over to Mr. Green. I usually make these videos on complicated loans that take a while to do, that I'm very happy and pleased when they come to conclusion. So let's just throw it to Mr. Green and his wife and their son, and let's just see what their feelings and emotions are right now. Mr. Green.
Yes.
How did everything go on the process? Like I just mentioned, there's lots of ups and downs, and you know, you hung in there. I know you wanted to throw in the towel, but around every step and around every corner there was issues that came up, and I feel like we got everything resolved. Would you agree with that?
I definitely would agree with that, and I don't think anyone else could have done the job better than you, Stewart. As a matter of fact, we know no one else could have.
Outstanding, outstanding. So let me just zoom in here and get a picture of everybody here. There's a young Mr. Green and Miss Green and Mr. Wayne Green. Folks, when I get into complicated loans, they take a long time to close. You know, when you have a hurdle that comes up, you either have to address it or the loan gets denied. This thing had 5 or 6 hurdles that we never anticipated that came up along the way. We were able to overcome with knowledge of the mortgage business. So don't accept your lender's response when they tell you they can't do a loan because of this, they can't do a loan because of this. I know a lot of y'all have your top 2 or 3 mortgage people that you use. If I'm not on that list, I definitely need to be, because the realtors here are getting paid today, I'm getting paid, and the borrowers are getting in the house of their dreams. And this is something they've been working a long time for, and it's finally coming to fruition. So you need to put me on the top of your list. This is Stewart Holt with Adventure Mortgage. Take care.